The Wampanoags' life was harsh, but fun in some ways. The kids did not go to school, but they did work. They worked harder than us. We think that school is really hard. The boys learned how to make machines, while the girls made dolls to learn how to make clothing in the future. They had a lot of animals. They cooked food for different seasons. For one of the seasons, they ate a lot of meat. Sometimes they ate vegetables like corn. It was hard work for the Wampanoags, but they were one with nature.